Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing another explanatory solution of codezinger question using JavaScript. Let me share my screen first. We will solve this question. Question is, we have to replace every element of an array by its frequency. And the input is here 6 and 1, 2, 5, 225. These are the array's element and 6 is the length of that array because we have 6 elements. First, we will check the frequency of the number. First, 1 has 1 frequency, 2 has 3 frequency because 2 comes here 3 times. We will replace 2 by 3 and 5 comes 2 times here, that's 5 has 2 frequency. We will replace 5 by 2. Then first we will read this input using readline function which is already declared here. You will notice here is already read by readline function, but A is the length of the array here, and you will find another keyword is %. % convert every string into a number. That's why we are using here. Then let another variable is arr, in which I am calling readline function. If I pass arr, a and arr as a parameter of solution function, which simply console both the input a and arr. If I call this function here by giving argument in this function in the variable res, and at last I am consoling the res. Okay, we have a string, but I need array. That's why I am using here split function. Split function convert string into an array. If I run this program, yes, I have array, but I need numbers in array. That's why first I split every elements of this array into a smaller string. That's why I am using empty string here. If I run this program, I got smaller string, but I don't need space here. That's why I am passing space here in this as a parameter. Okay, it removed space string, and I want to convert every string into a number. That's why I am using map method, in which I am passing number data type. It will convert every string into a number. Yes, we have numbers. First, we will write logic here. First, we declare a variable as empty array, because in the question, in the output, we need arrays element. That's why if I let new add is a variable in which I am assigning empty string. For accessing every element, I am using loop. For loop here, first I declared a variable I, which is initialized by 0. The value of I will check less than the array's length here. Array's length here is A. First, for incrementing the value of I am using increment operator here. Then I'm in this body of for loop. First, I declare another variable for counting. Let count is a variable in which I am assigning 0. Next, we will declare another variable, temp, in which I am passing every element of this array. Then we will check, we will use another array for checking the repetitive numbers. If I am using a for loop, I can check every element. Let in this variable, j is the variable. In this for loop, j is the another variable. It will check all the numbers again. Zero and j is also checked till the end of the array, and I am incrementing. Sorry, my keyboard is not working today. And okay, we have this. If I pass a condition, it will check the repetitive number. If array's jth element is equal to temp, because in temp we have ith elements of the array, then it simply increment the count value. And I push every element which is present in count in empty array using push method. Then we write new array variable dot push, in which I am passing count variable, and we have to return new array. Here, if I run this program, yes, I have required output, but I don't need array. I need only elements. That's why I am using join method here. Join method remove the array. Okay, but if I pass the empty string in this join method, it will remove this commas, and I need space in between every element. That's why I am passing here space. Okay, it is a required output. If I check the all test cases which is provided by codezinger here, okay, this code will pass every test case. This is a perfect code. This is the solution of this question. We will make another video for solving another question. If you have any doubts, you can comment in a comment section.